So we'll start with a good posture, feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine that string from the crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. Place one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming that in-breath to the lower hand. Bring the arms down, turn the palms out. We'll inhale, bring the arms up, palms together. Exhale, bring the hands down to the chest. So inhale, hands together. Exhale, down to the chest. So inhale and locking up. Exhale, follow the hands down. We'll do two more. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Bring the arms in front of the body, bring them up and around. Swapping them over, coming up and around. So keep the breathing natural. So just go with whatever timing feels best for you. It can either be really slow or you can speed it up a little. Alright, so we're going to do the roll down, so holding on to the elbows, we're going to try and keep the legs straight. We'll inhale, exhale, chin to chest, roll down through the spine, let the head hang down. Inhale there, exhale, rolling back up through the spine. So inhale, exhale, chin to chest, rolling down, aiming the crown of the head towards the ground. Inhale there, and exhale, roll back up. And we'll do one more. Inhale, exhale, rolling down. Inhale, and exhale, roll back up. And then we'll do a bit of balance. So we're going to be standing on that right leg and bringing the left knee up with the knee bent. So find your balance there, belly button squeezed in. We'll inhale, exhale, take the knee out to the side. Inhale, center, exhale, out. Inhale, and exhale, inhale, and exhale. So inhale, center, exhale, out. Inhale back. And we'll bring that leg down. We'll do the other side. So bring the right knee up. So finding that balance. We'll inhale, exhale to the side. Inhale, center, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, exhale, out. Inhale back. And bring the leg down. So we're going to do chair pose. So bring the feet together, palms together, hands in front of the chest, and then we're sitting back as if we're sitting back on that chair. So making sure nothing hurts. So if you want to, we have the arms by the side of the head with the palms together and looking up to the hands. You can always modify the pose. So we're going to do two more. So we'll inhale, exhale, sitting back. So try and sink down as much as you can. And then if you want to, we're going to add the twist. So we bring the hands to the chest and the outside of the elbow to the outside of the opposite knee. And then coming back up. So we'll do the other side. So inhale, exhale, sitting back, keeping the weight in the heels. And when you're ready, if you want to, add the twist. and coming back up. And we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. So shoulders back and down, crown to the sky, placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs, breathing in and out through the nose, and just let the belly be soft. And we'll bring the arms down, and we're all done.